Today, campaigns. Sending one DM to a whole audience at once. Let's go! Click Campaigns, loads up, and right now it's totally empty. Let's fix that. Hit New Campaign, and boom! The campaign builder. Two halves. Build your message on the left, live Instagram preview on the right. Watch. First, name it. New product launch. And see the preview? Everything you type shows up exactly how your follower sees it. Instant. Now the message. Type your hook, then drop in a variable. Tap Username, so every DM is personalized automatically. We'd love to share our new product launch. Check out our website for more info. And the preview updates with every single word. Let's add a button. Add link, title it Our Shop, paste the URL. Done! A tappable button right in the DM. Now, who gets this? And the #1 rule you need to know. Campaigns can only DM people who engaged with you in the last 24 hours. That's Instagram's window. It keeps you compliant. So your tag needs active people. Campaign 01's empty. Switch to VIP. Boom! One contact ready inside that 24-hour window. Target by tag or by automation. Anyone a flow just captured. I'll add new automation too. So, message written, button added, audience locked. Let's create it. Hit Create Campaign, and it's created, sitting right here. But notice, a draft. It does not send yet. When you're ready, hit Send. Quick confirm. One contact, about 30 a minute, can't be undone. Send campaign. And boom! It's sending. Status flips to sending with a live progress bar. Botyoo drips them at about 30 a minute so your account stays safe. And remember, only your last 24-hour engagers get it, so it's always compliant. Your blast is live. That's campaigns. Let's go!